Hey folks, Rick here. Thanks for stopping by the Easy to Accelerate YouTube channel. And today I want to discuss what's the best thing you can use to wash your car, the best thing you can use to detail your car, the best thing you can do to wash your truck, your boat, the best thing you can do to keep up your engine, the best thing that you can use to do your windshield, your wheels, your windows, your mirrors. Best thing you can use to do your louvers, your undercarriage, your trunk lid, your rear bumper, your exhaust, your tail lights, even your tag. The best thing you can use is your side louvers, your rear quarters, your front quarter panels, your hood scoop. So, oh yeah, don't forget, the best thing you can use to do your accessories. So with all that being said, what is the best thing you can use on your car, your truck, your boat, anything you can think of, your motorcycle? What is it? It's educating yourself, education, learning the proper techniques, learning how to use the tools, the proper tools to detail and maintain your ride, whether it be a car, a boat, a motorcycle. Learning the proper techniques, learning the recommended directions, manufacturer's directions on how to use products that you do have, learning how to properly alter those techniques or recommendations to make it more effective in the moment, more effective, at what you're trying to accomplish. Learning that the best way to polish your car or to keep your car polished is maintaining your car in a way where you don't apply the scratches to start with, or you minimize the scratches. Learning to use the least aggressive methods, the least aggressive tools, the least aggressive chemicals or products to accomplish your objective, to accomplish detailing and maintaining your car. Whether it be a 2-bucket wash, whether it be a rinseless and waterless wash, whether it be a foam cannon, whether it be a pump sprayer, foam cannon like this one, or whether it be a coin operated power sprayer at the car wash, or whether it be a home electric power sprayer, whether it be a hydro spot or shot, educate yourself. Learn from other people's mistakes, learn from other people's successes, use the proper techniques, use the proper products. And the funny thing is the majority of the car care products out here, if they're designed to be used for car care, they're probably safe. Just read the directions, read the instructions, and apply proper caution. Make sure you clean your paint, make sure you clean your interior, make sure if it's designed to be used on the interior, make sure it's used on the interior. If it's designed to be used on the paint, make sure it's used on the paint. And there's a lot of products that's designed to be used either way, interior and exterior. So just make sure you understand your products. Make sure you understand the process of what causes scratches to your paint, for example. What causes the haze, or what causes the buildup of chemicals and the environmental fallout to build up on your paint, and understanding how to eliminate that, understanding how to reduce it. So the best thing you can use for your car is common sense. I would say common sense, as that's not necessarily the case, because if you don't understand the process, if you don't understand that you're actually harming your paint when you wash your car improperly, I mean, it's not really common sense until you understand the process. So I don't want to belittle anyone because it's not always that easy. But once you understand the process, once you understand how delicate your clear coat can be, especially with the scratches, even though it's there to protect your base coat, but it's, you know, it's delicate when it comes to rock chips and scratches and stuff like that. Same thing with your interior. Even though it's, you know, it's protected by a lot of plastic coating and stuff like that, it's still delicate when it comes to some of the chemicals that we use. So educating yourself and learning the process, and learning that it's not necessarily the particular products that we buy, you know, name brand of certain products, but more understanding the process. And remember, if you have a youngster that's getting into cars, you know, let's do our job to help them along the way. So, if you would, like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them. If you have any feedback, leave it. If you would like to see a particular subject matter covered, let me know. Thank you.